So I purchased a M4 Pro Mac Mini and an M4 Max MacBook Pro. Now this video is about unboxing the M4 Max MacBook Pro. Let's get started. So it's your plain box with a tab. I don't want to stop my audio recording. Wow. That's the actual box. And yeah, so I chose the 14-inch instead of 16-inch that I've been using for the past 5 years for many reasons, mainly because I want the laptop to be a lot more portable. The 16-inch was just too bulky. And I bought the gray, the space gray, or what is it called? Yeah, the gray color, space gray. And so again, similar to all Apple products, you have these tabs. Wow, I love the size already. One of the things that, yeah, as I mentioned, I didn't like was just how big the MacBook Pro was, the 16-inch. I like that it comes with the black braided power cable. So this is the USB-C to MagSafe. I used to have the mid-2012 MacBook Pro, 13 inches, that had a MagSafe charger. The other, the 16-inch that I bought, the Intel, did not. And it comes with this. Now, one thing I don't see... Okay, so I think it's a new thing now. Now, this is I believe this is the same power brick that came with my 16-inch Intel MacBook Pro as well. But as I fumble through taking the plastic off of it... Wow, good job. Is that the power brick does not come with a power extension. I remember, I don't have it right now, it's in a different room, that it used to come with the power extension. Not every time I have the power right next to the computer. So, but then again, this is the Apple Silicon MacBook Pro. I don't need to charge it as often. This is just normal documentation. And I believe it doesn't include the stickers. Anyways, so let's take the MacBook Pro. Okay, it's much thicker than my 16-inch MacBook Pro. Wow. Okay. The keys feels slightly different than the one that I already have. Oh, the notch. Not a huge fan of the notch. I don't know if you can see it from here or maybe
from English as the main language. Press the return key.
Okay, I don't know how to turn the voice assist off, but yeah, the notch is going to be annoying slightly, I guess. Oh yeah, let's talk about the ports. So there's a pretty good variety of ports. So of course you have the MagSafe power charging, which means that you can charge it from there, of course. 2 Thunderbolt 5 ports on this side, and on this side you have the SD card Thunderbolt 5 port and a full-size HDMI port. This is great. I think that everything else is almost the same. And I just like how small this is. So in contrast, this is my 2019 16-inch Intel MacBook Pro, and you can see the size difference. This thing it doesn't feel like that much bigger, at least from this camera angle, because this is a wider camera lens, but this is a big laptop. Now, in terms of thickness, the 16-inch, of course, is very thin. And this is not supposed to be a review, but without breaking anything, I think the 16-inch is much thinner. And I like that they're not going for thin and light laptops anymore. They're going for more practicality, function over form. So I like how lighter this is as well. And this is heavier. I guess it's the same amount of battery, at least. Anyway, so that's before I go into the whole review for the M4 Max MacBook Pro. I will end the video here and I will make a separate video talking about the M4 Max MacBook Pro. Check out the M4 Pro Mac Mini unboxing as well. I'll talk about that as well. The idea is that I wanted to upgrade my existing computers to be more performant, especially my laptop was using the Intel computer was slowing me down by a lot, especially for software development and video editing. That's it for this video, and see you in the next video whenever that comes out. Cheers.